Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. I'm Julie Mazzoni and I want to show you 8 ways to say I love you with mosaic art. Today I want to show you how to make a micromosaic pendant. I'm using a silver plated heart bezel from Amate Studios as my base, and my adhesive is Apoxie Sculpt in pink. It came in this package of the earth color kit, and I just have a little bit. I rarely use the colors. I'm using the pink because this pendant will have these clear irridized glass pebbles, and I want the pink to show through the glass. I was originally going to use this pink millefiori. It has a bit of clear, but I think the color clashes a little bit with this pink. The millefiori is a little on the purple side, and the Apoxie Sculpt is a little more, I don't know, salmony. So instead, I'm going to use some white and clear with green filati. I start by measuring equal parts A and B. You can eyeball this, or I have a scale, so I just weigh it out and do it by weight. Then using a gloved hand, I mix the epoxy parts A and B for 2 minutes. Then I press the epoxy into my bezel, and I want to go a little bit below the lip because there's going to be a little bit of displacement when I put the pieces in, and I don't want the epoxy to squish out above the pieces that I put in. These little glass pebbles that I've picked up were from Michael's, and they were in the vase filler area. They are squirrely. It is very difficult to use these tweezers and pick them up. This next pendant, I want to just use millefiori, and I'm going to go with mostly red and a little bit of blue in the smaller size. This millefiori I picked up from DiMosaico. It's the 2 to 3 millimeter size. This time I'm using black Apoxie Sculpt because I want it to just basically not show, disappear in between the pieces. I'm starting with this little heart one, but the rest I think will be floral. Maybe a few more hearts. And now I'm filling in any empty spaces in here with some hand-pulled filati in red. mosaic is going to be this clematis with some red floral and some periwinkle blue. The clematis came from Murrini Shop on Etsy, as did the petunia. Then I'll fill in with some rainforest mix from DiMosaico and some filati that I've pulled. And I might even use these little florals from DiMosaico. Let me get after it. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.